Hello, 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 Raw family. How is everyone doing? I am back with another video. You know, summer is fast approaching, so we need to kind of lighten up our meals and the menu. I gave you guys the pineapple mimosas and the, oh, excuse me, getting a little choked here, and the vodka sorbet drinks. So now I thought about doing a nice, crisp cucumber salad. So we're going to use the English cucumbers. We're going to use the tricolor tomatoes, going to make it pretty, of course. We have to have a beautiful presentation. Then we're going to put some red onions and then do a red wine vinaigrette. So I want you guys to get ready. Let's get this train on the tracks and let's get this cucumber salad made. I'll be right back. Okay, Royal Family, here are the ingredients we're going to use for the English cucumber salad. Here I have mini Heirloom tomatoes, and I want you guys to see the colors in this. It is going to make the salad so beautiful. I have a yellow, I have a red, I have kind of like an orange and a green. It's really going to make the salad beautiful. Okay, and here is an English cucumber. I decided to use the English cucumber because the skin is not tough and it doesn't have any seeds. And I'm not going to peel it because I want the presentation, to really pop, and also the nutritional value is in the skin. So you can see it is a lot longer than your normal cucumber. Okay, we're going to need a red onion, and of course I'm not going to use all of this. We're going to need, I am going with red wine vinegar. So that is the vinegar I'm going to use. Most people use apple cider. I kind of like the red wine better. To me, it's less pungent. And we're going to use this flavored olive oil, which it has garlic in it, which is going to be lovely. Of course, we're going to need black pepper. We're going to need sugar, not a lot. This is my little canister for riding with my sugar. If I need just a little bit, I'll always have it on me. I know I need to quit the sugar for sure. And of course, we're going to need sea salt, and I have the fine crystals. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut the English cucumber into slices, and I'll show you how thick. You don't want it too thin and you don't want it too thick, but I'll come back and show you how it should be cut. Well, let me just scan the ingredients. Oh, and one more thing, I am missing fresh parsley, which I'm going to have to run out and get. So make sure that the fresh parsley is one of the ingredients also. Okay, so there's the tomatoes, the sea salt, the sugar, the black pepper, the olive oil, the cucumber, and the red onion. I will cut this up. I'll come back and show you how we're going to prepare this salad. All right, hang tight. I will be right back. Okay, Royal Family, I wanted to show you the thickness of the cucumber. Let me show you. So I'm gonna say cut it maybe 1/4, let's say 1/3 inch thick. And I left the skin on, which is going to give a beautiful, beautiful presentation. And what I want you to do, I want you to take a teaspoon of salt, sprinkle it on the cucumbers, kind of shake it around, and put it in the refrigerator for about 20 to 25 minutes. What that does is going to draw some of the water off of the cucumbers and keep them nice and crisp. All right, let me show you the red onions. I want you to see how thin Okay, here are the red onions. And I just used a fourth of it, and I sliced it very thin. And they are so sweet. Okay, that's part of the onion I'll have to take off. But this is how thin I want you to slice them. I mean very thin. You see how thin those two are? And that was just 1/4 of the red onion. Now let me show you these gorgeous tomatoes. I kind of separated it because, you know, to put it in the refrigerator. All right, let me show you these gorgeous tomatoes. Is that gorgeous or what? And you see the tricolors, which will give the presentation of the cucumber salad. Beautiful. So I just sliced them in half, put them on a paper towel, you know, for some of the moisture to kind of drain down. And I put these also in the refrigerator. So when I come back, we're getting ready to do the vinaigrette. Okay, here in this mason jar, I have 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar and 2 tablespoons of the garlic flavored olive oil. And always remember 1 part vinegar and 2 parts oil, whether it's olive oil, canola oil, but it's always the ratio of 1 to 2. And in this bowl here, I have a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 a teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 a teaspoon of fennel seeds. Don't worry, they're not ground up, but I'm going to strain it once I add it to the cucumber. And a 1/4 a teaspoon of sugar, just to cut the acidity just a little. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to pour it in the jar with the olive oil and the vinegar and just shake it really well. A mason jar is very good to do your oil in. I mean, you give it a good shake, it emulsifies, and it's ready to go. All right, I'll come back and show you guys. Okay, you guys, I've added the heirloom tomatoes, the red onions, and the cucumbers. I'm about to add the dressing. And I did go get some fresh parsley from the store. And yes, they had it. All right, when I come back, I will show you the final presentation. Okay, Royal Family, here is the finished product of the English cucumber salad with the small heirloom tomatoes. Oh, such a great dressing that was added to this. And also, as I always state, I did have to add a tablespoon of lemon juice, fresh squeezed lemon juice. It seemed like it just took it to the next level. But again, I will post the correct ingredients in the description box. But I want you guys to see this. And look at these beautiful tomatoes. Look at there. Can you see that? And of course, I got the parsley. All right, let me see if I can get a... Okay, I want an onion. Let me see if I can get it. All right, I know I can get a tomato. Okay, I think my stabbing is wrong. Okay, can you see that? And can you see the dressing on there? All right, I'm going in. Can you guys hear that the cucumber is still crunchy? This is some kind of delicious. All right, you guys, that is the video for today. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please share and subscribe. And again, I want to thank all of my new subscribers and my ride or die old subscribers. I'm going to try to come back on, you guys, and do a banana pudding cake. That is really great for the summer also. But until we meet again, stay safe and God bless you.